Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. First one, make sure that you tap at the touch control. The touch control is located at the back side. Right here we have these two circles. This is actually touch control. So make sure that you press on it, or double press, or depends what you want to do. Next one, it happened when these touch features set to none. So open the application SOUNDCORE, then tap on your device here and go to controls. Now look if you maybe have none, as I have right now, on the single press, then tap on it, select something, let's say volume down, and check, maybe it fix your problem. And the last one, what I recommended to do is to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds will disconnect it from the phone, so after 5 seconds just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone and it can fix this problem. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!